The General Regulations of the 24th IMEK.
General Regulations. 1. The 24th International Congress of Medical Esperanto, hereinafter referred to as the Congress, is a scientific meeting that will address the following main topics: artificial intelligence in medical professions, a chance or a threat. 2. The Congress is organized by the Scientific Committee and the Organizing Committee, consisting of Jagiellonian University Medical College, Semmelweis University in Budapest, Hungary, Lithuanian University of Health Sciences, Lithuania, University of Szeged, Hungary, Comenius University in Bratislava, Jesenius Faculty of Medicine in Martin, Slovakia, Polish Anti-Doping Agency, Polish Pharmaceutical Society, Krakow Branch, the Stop Illegal Pharmaceutical Products Association for Health Protection and the Rule of Law, and the Universal Medical Esperanto Association, UMEI. 3. The Congress will be held from July 6 to 9th, 2027 in a hybrid format using the Microsoft Teams video conferencing system in the auditorium of the University Hospital in Krakow, located at 2 Jakubowskiego Street within the Jagiellonian University Medical College. 4. The official languages of the Congress are English, Esperanto, and Polish. Slides may be presented in English, for example, and the lecture may be delivered in Polish or Esperanto. 5. The maximum number of abstracts per participant is 2. 6. The author of an abstract may be a doctoral candidate, a doctoral student, a clinician, or another healthcare professional. 7. A young scientist is a student under 25 years of age. 8. Abstracts accepted for the Congress will be presented publicly via Microsoft Teams after receiving the review or opinion of the Scientific Committee. 9. Abstracts and posters will be made available to Congress participants electronically on the Congress website. 10. The deadline for submitting articles, abstracts, and videos is June 20th, 2027.
Eligibility of work. The authors present the work in the form of a poster or oral presentation. Planned sessions during the Congress are A. Lectures by professors/assistants. B. Lectures by young scientists.
Welcome to the presentation on participation guidelines for the 24th IMEK Congress 2027. I'll be walking you through the admission requirements, presentation rules, competition details, and important administrative information. Let's begin with the admission requirements. Please note these carefully. First, your abstract must not exceed 2 A4 pages in length. Second, to present a paper, poster, or video at the Congress, you must submit a completed electronic application form along with your abstract in either English or Esperanto. The submission deadline is June 20th, 2027. Please use the template available on the 24th IMEK 2027 website. Third, all abstracts are subject to review by our Congress Scientific Committee, and their decision to accept or reject an abstract is final. Fourth, after review, the Scientific Committee will select the appropriate session and presentation format for your abstract, either oral or poster presentation. Finally, evaluation results will be announced by the chair of the Scientific Committee. Now, regarding presentation rules. Authors must present their work either as a poster or oral presentation. We have planned 2 main sessions during the Congress. Session A, lectures by professors and assistant lecturers. Session B, lectures by young scientists. All presentations will follow the schedule established by the Organizing Committee, which will be made available to participants at least 7 days before the Congress date. Please note that the Organizing Committee reserves the right to make schedule changes, and participants will be notified accordingly. Regarding presentation timing. For professors and assistant lecturers, 20 minutes of presentation followed by 5 minutes of discussion. For young scientists' oral presentations, 10 minutes of presentation and 3 minutes of discussion. For poster presentations, 5 minutes of presentation and 3 minutes of discussion. All participants must strictly adhere to these time limits. However, discussion time may be extended by decision of the Scientific Committee. Please submit your presentations, posters in electronic format, and lecture recordings to the designated email address or via the Congress website at least 7 days before the Congress begins. Important formatting note: posters have a one-slide limit, while oral presentations have no slide limit. Congress certificates will be sent electronically after the Congress concludes. We're excited to announce our scientific competition. The best oral presentation by young scientists and the 3 best poster presentations will be awarded by the 24th IMEK Scientific Competition Committee. The competition committee will be selected after evaluating all submitted abstracts and papers via video on demand. Please note that all decisions made by the competition committee are final and indisputable. Regarding participation fees. For young scientists up to 25 years of age, the fee is €60, equivalent in Polish zloty at the current exchange rate. For all other participants, the fee is €120, also equivalent in Polish zloty at the current exchange rate. The only accepted payment method is bank transfer, and please note that fees are non-refundable. Payment is due by June 15, 2027. If you require an invoice, please contact the Congress Organizing Committee. Important final statement: by submitting an abstract to the 24th IMEK 2027, you accept these rules and regulations and consent to the processing of your personal data for organizational purposes by the Organizing Committee. I'd like to acknowledge our distinguished committee members. Chairman of the Scientific Committee, Professor Tomasz Brzezowski. Vice Chairman, Professor Dariusz Adamek. Chairman of the Organizing Committee, Professor Włodzimierz Opoka. Website Administrator, Jan Lesia, PhD student at the Jagiellonian University Medical College. YouTube Channel Manager, Joanna Mena, graduate of the Jagiellonian University with a master's degree in biology. Finally, please note that each participant and interested individuals and institutions will receive an electronic version of the Congress book. By participating in the 24th IMEK, you consent to the possible publication of your image in photographs taken during the Congress in the Congress book. Thank you for your attention. We look forward to your participation in the 24th IMEK Congress 2027. Should you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact the organizing committee through our website.